By the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful and most gracious. Mr. President, respected teachers, venerated jury, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I feel proud and privileged to have an opportunity to open my lips on the topic, construct your role of youth and nation building. Mr. President, youth is the phase of life from 18 to 30. It is that phase where dreams are built and bright future is foreseen. Hence, youth is the structural and functional framework and the pillar of success of a nation. As Iqbal says, अपराध के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीर, अपराध के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीर, हर पर्दे है मिल्लत के मुक़द्दर का सितारा. Dear audience, as you know that fuel is the means of producing the nation's spark and the engine, and same is the youth for a nation. Youth is that clay which can be molded and enter shape. According to Nelson Mandela, youth of today are leaders of tomorrow. According to Shahryar Khan, youth have the power to make or break the society. When Roosevelt said, we can't build the future for our youth, but we can build the youth for the future. That's where the future lies and the youth are today. And Iqbal says, मोहब्बत मुझे उन जवानों से है, मोहब्बत मुझे उन जवानों से है, सितारों पे जो डालते हैं कमन. Mr. President, youth is the precious asset of its nation and it is a torch bearer towards the dark ways towards their destination. But on the other hand, look at the TikToker youth of today and compare it with Abdul Rahman First, Muhammad bin Qasim, Tariq bin Ziyad, Mandela, Bill Gates, and some others who made history by their own will. But our youth, on one hand, due to its personal negligence, and the other hand, due to its misuse by political leaders and madrasa owners, for their personal or political interest is playing a destructive role in nation building, which is too much regretful, and it is due to rewriting more and more by brutal policies by the government, like favoritism, nepotism, and reappointing and the retired general. Dear audience, our youth has the power and potential to play a constructive role in nation building. At the time, zeal and zest of the youth is channelized in positive direction. Our youth needs guidance, support them. They will be smart enough to pave its path to the heights of success. Dear fellows, I would like to sum up my speech with these verses of my eagle. It's time to stand for the land which is your land. नहीं है नाउमीद इकबाल अपनी किश्त विरा से, नहीं है नाउमीद इकबाल अपनी किश्त विरा से, जरा नम हो तो ये मट्टी बड़ी जरहेज है साकी वो सनम.